In front of me is OPPO A17 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Then you need to scroll down, choose Notifications and Status Bar. Scroll down again and click on Recent. Over here, select the best option for you, in my case Frequency, and tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block notifications, in my case Gmail. As you can see now, all notifications from Gmail are blocked. If you wish to enable them, click on the same switcher. You can also just tap on one of your apps over here instead, and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!